Faith, resilience, strength, unity. These are not mere words for me. They are the pillars upon which I build my life and the torch I strive to pass on to others. In these turbulent times when the world often seems bleak and the political landscape fraught with conflict, it is these virtues that should guide us. As we look towards the rest of 2026, we witness a world in flux, politically chaotic, emotionally charged and often divisive. The past year has shown us the rise of discord, the ease with which people can fall into conflict and hostility. Yet, we look back at history, we find solace in the resilience of the human spirit and the enduring power of unity. In our defiance, in our unwavering commitment to one another, we will persevere. We will because at the heart of it, we all desire the same fundamental truths: freedom, dignity, and a future that is brighter for all. Let's move forward together, knowing that the challenges we face are but stepping stones to greater achievements. We must not sit back and wait. We must take action, forge ahead. We must make the future we believe in. By defiance, by a collective will, we shall overcome.